Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I'm a cancer survivor. I've also had Lyme's disease, but I had a son. And what happened was I really wanted to live because I had this beautiful child that I wanted to raise. I was a scientist and a psychologist, but I started really researching even more Eastern and Western medicine. The solutions the doctors gave me were to have surgery, that they would go through my nose and they would do a surgery on the pituitary tumor. The issue that they had was that I could be blind, and so there were all these side effects that could possibly happen. I was pretty upset about that. I researched spirulina, chlorella, chlorophyll, aloe vera, a lot of different greens that could really help me. I really gave up almost everything, and I drank these green shakes every day. Went back to the doctor to have the surgery, and I didn't have to have it. The prolactinoma was so small they could hardly see it. And since that day, it remained small, and I have not had to have a surgery. People always ask me, what exactly did you do? I made that simple green shake, and now I've brought that back to life. The formula that I have with ReLive Greens is a result of a hardship in my life. I take either 1/4 of a teaspoon in a smoothie, up to 1 teaspoon actually. And sometimes I do it 3 times a day, just like I did in my 20s. And just know you're giving yourself proteins and minerals, amino acids. This even has prebiotics and probiotics in it. It even has stuff like quercetin and NAD embedded into the greens. All of those are really important to the mitochondria, to the glutathione of the body, and to the whole support of the living cells in the body. So I hope you try the formula. I look forward to hearing from you guys what you think about this amazing product that can help others throughout the world.